In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Steam backup code when your Steam Authenticator guard fails. It's a straightforward process and I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you're never locked out of your Steam account. Let's begin by opening your Steam app. For the computer version, simply look for the desktop icon that resembles a circular Steam engine. Once you have it open, we'll move on to the login page. What you're aiming for here is to find that familiar login screen, usually marked with the Steam logo at the top. You'll see options for entering your account name and password. Ensure you have these details on hand before proceeding. Now enter your account name and password in the appropriate fields. Carefully type your details to avoid any mistakes, as incorrect information will prevent you from advancing. Double check each entry, ensuring everything is in its right place. Once you're satisfied, move on to the next step by clicking on Sign In. After you've clicked that button, a prompt will appear asking for your Steam Guard code. This is the two-factor authentication that Steam provides for additional security. However, in cases where you can't access this code, don't worry, there's another option available. This is where your Steam backup or recovery code comes into play. These codes are typically provided when you set up your Steam Guard, often sent via email or generated in your account's security settings. Think of them as a safety net. If you haven't noted these codes down, it's a good practice to do so immediately after setting up two-factor authentication. When prompted for the Steam Guard code, instead of the standard code, enter your recovery code. This code acts as a trusted key, allowing you to bypass the issue with the Steam Guard and successfully log in. Make sure to input your recovery code carefully. These codes are case sensitive and typically a mix of letters and numbers. Once you've entered the recovery code, continue with the login process. If done correctly, you'll be granted access to your Steam account, and you can navigate to your games, community chat, or whatever part of the Steam ecosystem you wish to explore. Remember, using a recovery code is only a temporary fix. If you find recurring issues with your Steam Guard, consider revisiting your security settings. You might want to update your contact information or check for any account settings updates. That's all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to reclaim access to your Steam account using a backup code. It's a handy trick to have up your sleeve whenever technology falters. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to like, subscribe, or leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance.